Marami ang nakabang sa corona na siyang dapat mong protektahan at depensahan.
Okay, angat yan, angat yan. Hindi yan.
Okay na.
Thank you, thank you.
MB please, MB.
Okay na dyan.
Okay na, okay. Thank you.
Cancel lang mo, Judge.
Stun ako eh. Sorry.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Cancel ka?
Papatawad mo pa ako.
Oh, matubang na sa body oh.
Oh, raw.
balik,
Puso sila kan eh.
Pipilitan na yan.
Push mo
Pipilitan mo, umangat na sila.
Bro, pare
Ayun
box
na,
na. Thank you.
Ready, ready ah.
Kalahati na yung box.
Ayun na, umangat na.
Thank you.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Second cell bomba.
Second cell, second cell. Pag pumasok ng cell yung unang prop, hindi pa, huwag yung bobombayin ah.
20
Hintayin nyo po umangat
million
sila
nga
isa pa.
20 kilo
lang yan,
doon.
mambibig.
Ang bibig
Sa loob
lang
ng
yan.
circle, wag sa max range circle.
Sa loob ng circle kayo pa-pick. Magkano. Okay,
Circle.
angat yan.
Dagang kag-stun sila oh.
Kanawi.
Isa pa.
Stunners ba?
Lasel, ah.
Lasel. Ana, wizard.
Wala.
Okay na, okay na.
Ano yung mic? Kiwi na
Tayuan
ratol.
nyo lang, tayuan nyo na lang. Tayuan nyo.
Ano, wizard?
Ay, meron na.
Ay, gan ba to? Gan ba to? Wesley, gan ba?
MB,
Buko.
Blizzard.
Joshua na ba?
Tuman nyo.
Uy, isang ilang may kapat.
Nakabalik.
Michael Jordan.
Lasel, lasel,
Josh to. SPP daw.
Pwede na. Teka.
Yung prop, patay.
Wag tama na target, tama na target.
Tama na.
Ito to, Josh?
Nahawakan ko lang yung mga kanila.
Ingat kayo sa gilid.
Yawa ka. Nakitakas live mo.
Ayaw kong pagkatawaan. Kaya ba slide ko, Josh? Please,
Pwede yan.
Yawa.
Pwede first lane.
Ako ng first lane. Drop.
Ay.
Dalawang pa na yung pala. Harap lang.
Harap lang ha.
MB,
Wala na to.
1, 2, 3, angat one cell guys, angat one cell. Second cell tayo. Gipsy.
Second cell.
Gipsy.
Magawasan ni Tibilan doon.
Make lang turn cell. Gipsy.
Pressure sa baba.
Angat pa, wizard tayo nagaganda.
Sino bang tumama?
Pili ko,
Gypsy
Tama pa.
Na ba yung mga yan?
Pwede nyo ng trash to, pwede nyo ng trash to.
Sarjay, may iking ka sa likod!
We coming straight to your body, yo. In a rubber duck style. Hot spoons in the stereo. We waited long time to give it to ya. We bout to wreck, no, we rock the show. This is the way that we represent. Hot spoons in the stereo. We causing massive hysteria. We waited long time to give it to ya. This is the way that we represent. We'll bounce around your town. We'll come around your body, yo. So get your groove on down. It's time to start the show. We'll come around your town. We'll bounce around your body, yo. So get your groove on down. It's time to start the show. Rastaman, we coming down to your speaker. Listen up, cause our bass is getting deeper. Drop your style to a dance floor, a dancer. Lose yourself in this extravaganza. Turn up, we gotta start to make you dance a bit. Then we break the set, bring it on to the street. You know we represent and we come in correct. Show you not love and respect. You better check yourself before you wreck yourself. You got to party like no one you'd ever known. No time to disapprove. You better put time on. You got to rock this party all night long. Hot spoons in the stereo. We waited long time to give it to ya. We bout to wreck, no, we rock the show. This is the way that we represent.